Jiangsu Tianwang Solar Technology Co. Limited has designed a unique stun gun TW905. With this mini stun gun, your stun gun sales will like a rocket rise. Its use is simple and clear. Step 1. When you need to defend yourself in an emergency, press the switch button at the front of the device, and the product will enter the standby mode. Step 2. The second part, sliding the slider switch, can start the stun function. The TW905 stun gun is made of aviation aluminum barrel and coated with baking paint. Its tail is made of zinc alloy, which has excellent corrosion resistance. In addition, the smart design of the silicone hook makes it more convenient to carry. Its power cannot be underestimated, up to 1.3 DC microcoulomb, so that it can play a strong defense effect in self-defense. In the event of an emergency, the power display of the TW905 has 4 cells, and displays a full cell when fully charged. As the number of use increases, the power will gradually decrease. When there is only 1 grid of power left, in order to ensure that the product can play a protective role at any time, it is recommended to charge in time. The TW905 comes in 4 colors, and the packaging can be customized with the logo and box according to customer requirements. Affordable, I'm sure you deserve it.